Your personal information is more exposed online than you think. Your phone number, home address, email, and even old accounts can appear in Google's search results without you realizing it. But here's the good news. Google now gives you the power to remove your personal info quickly and safely. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's start with Google's official tool called Results About You. Open your browser and search for Google Results About You, or go to the link from your Google account menu, sign in, and you'll see a dashboard designed specifically to help you monitor your personal data online. Next, tap on Get Started. Google will scan search results for your phone number, address, and email. It may take minutes or hours depending on how much data is out there. Once the scan is done, you'll see a list of results that contain your personal information. For any result you want removed, simply tap Request Removal. Google will ask why you want it taken down. You can choose reasons like it contains your personal contact info, it shows your address, it puts you at risk, or it's doxing-related content. Once submitted, Google reviews the request. If they approve it, that result disappears from search, meaning people can't find it through Google anymore. But that's not all. You can also set up automatic alerts. Turn on Find New Results About You. Google will continuously scan the internet, and whenever your personal info appears again, you'll get a notification so you can remove it instantly. If you find sensitive information on a specific website, like a data broker or leaked directory, always contact the website owner as well. Google can remove it from search results, but only the website can delete it from its server. Cleaning up your online presence takes a few minutes, but the impact lasts for years. Your privacy matters, and now you have full control over what Google reveals about you. Try it today, protect your data, and keep your identity safe online. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.